How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. This Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Onyx A-Frame Getaway. I am back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and yes, I am back with a banger of an episode with this Onyx A-Frame Getaway. As you know, here at Recreational Resort Cottages, we are always being innovative and want to be cutting edge and providing tons of options and curb appeal for you to choose from. And this home right here today is definitely checking the box when it comes to curb appeal. This is the definition right here, ladies and gentlemen. And you know, Mr. Tiny, I'm gonna get right into the pricing to start. This home, as you see it today, is 13 feet wide, 29 feet long, and it is on sale, as you see it today, for $100K. $100,000, you'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And of course, starting on the exterior, you're gonna see the elephant in the room, and that is this A-frame front exterior wall of the home that is basically entrenched in glass. Tons of views on the exterior as well as the interior for you to enjoy. Also, one of my favorite features is the fact that the interior eave and front wall of the exterior is going to be in a contrast color, with that as more of a tan color in there to give some contrast, and we've added 6 can lights inside of your eave as well. So that way at night, you can brighten up that glass and keep that privacy in store and enjoy the views from the interior of this home. Now, of course, the exterior paint is one of our favorites, black, because when in doubt, paint it black, and we've done just that right here on the A-Frame Getaway. So we're going to have that 50-year warranty siding in the black finish. Even the trim around your doors and windows is going to be finished out in black, and then we've topped it all off with a black metal roof. So you're going to have a great option there, and it gives that pop back again to that accent on the front wall. Your windows are also going to be black, also to make that color stand out that much more. Now, of course, we can talk about the exterior all day, and before we go inside, I want to point out, for those of you that pay attention to the small things, it's little things, like the vertical siding that's going to be on the front A-frame section of the home, and then we have the lapped horizontal siding on the rear side of the home. So that way you have some contrast, even keeping it the same color, you add some exterior aesthetic that stands out from the rest. Now, when you get this home, this is what you're going to come for, and that's not on the exterior, but it's also the interior. So go ahead and follow me inside the Onyx A-Frame Getaway. And here we are on the interior of the Onyx A-Frame Getaway. And as you can see, the name speaks for itself. Every day is going to feel like a getaway right here in this model. So we are bringing this to you as an all-new concept, all-new floor plan, and it is very unique. And I'll show you a few options on why it is so. But before I do so, I want to remind you, keep in mind, any of you that prefer more short form content, you can always run over to our YouTube channel under the shorts section, and you will see several videos that we have there in 2 minutes or under. So that way you can still get the dose of the homes that we have without having to stick around for the long tour. This is more for the educational buyer, the ones that are looking to purchase right now and want to know why they should buy from Mr. Tiny and Recreational Resort Cottages. So with that said, let's get back to the long form content and show you right here in the living area, when you come into this home, this is what you are going to see. This is what you're buying this home for, in my opinion, is this view right here. You see, we have the black unique wood accent on the A-frame ceiling with the can lights on each side, which lead you directly to the front wall of the home, where we're going to have full glass enclosures here, where you're going to have the windows on each side, large single window here in the center, and then the triangle window up top. So all of that combined gives you basically a front wall of views that you can use. So if you have a property to place it on and you want to sit back and enjoy a night in and just gaze out onto the stars and onto the lights, or in the daytime you have scenery such as a lake, such as some pasture or a field to gaze out onto, this right here is doing it. Now, those of you that are also, keep in mind, I said it's a getaway. So there's going to be some features in this home that work very well for someone that is in the market for an investment property or just a weekend getaway. It's going to check the box here. But for those primary residents that want to live in it full time, we're going to get creative in a few areas. But before we get there, let's start. And again, right here in the living area, where you'll see on this front wall, side wall, you will have a full area for you to place a large couch. You can put any size sofa that you want in here that is full size and have the room to do so. You can see we've done just that. What I like is the honey oak plank flooring going throughout the entire model. So that is a beautiful contrast, going from the black, the white, and then that honey oak on the floors keeps it nice and warm and ties it in together. This, in my opinion, could be your TV wall. As you see, we have a TV sitting there low, but you can also mount it on the wall, whatever you like. And you see you have space on each side. You can place some chairs and things like that. But really, why you want to worry about all the TV and all this? This is your TV right here. This is what you want to look out onto. And it's a very open and unique concept, as I stated earlier. So it's going to lead directly from the living area right over here, where you'll see by the front door, we have a coat hanging space. So that way you have your coat rack in here. You can hang everything up. You got your cubbies down below that you can kick off your shoes. If you need to put your shoes on, you have a nice bench to sit down and enjoy that as well. And then directly across from that living area leads into the corner kitchen. This, again, like I said, is a very unique floor plan. So you're not going to have tons of counter space in here, but this is for the minimal enthusiast that's looking to downsize. And when you say you want to live big while going tiny, this is what you're meaning. You want to focus on the things that matter, and you don't need a bunch of clutter and space to place things. So you have a countertop that wraps around here, where your majority of your prep space is going to be right here in the center. Smooth top oven here, microwave up above, additional cabinetry going around in the black finish with the black bar pulls. You're going to have the corner shelves here, of course, finished out in black if you haven't caught the trend yet. And say it with me, black backsplash. We have it in the pattern there, going from the countertop all the way up here. That's going to give you around 6 rows of that tile. Here you're going to have your dual basin sink right up under your window, where you can look out and enjoy that view. Also, additional storage down below, side-by-side fridge, ice in the door with additional shelving up above that. Now, this is where things are going to get interesting. So we have this front space right here that you can enjoy and relax, and then we're going to take it into your bedroom. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. And right here in your bedroom, we're going to start where you're going to see right over here, we have a stackable washing machine and dryer space here for you that you can place that. Also, a combo unit would work well in this particular corner. Have space in here in your bedroom to accommodate a queen size bed, because we do have the built-in nightstands on each side. You could do without the nightstands, and you could go up to a king if you wanted to. Have a window right here on the side, clear story window up above your bed space. And again, tall ceilings throughout. There's no loft in this model. What's cool about it is the A-frame front side is going to have more of that peak. Then as you make it towards the back, it raises for that elevation here. So you have the super high side walls in your bedroom area. It makes it feel a lot larger than 399 square feet. Follow me. Can't even speak because this is so unique. Go ahead and follow me, and you'll go right into your private bathroom, where in here, you'll see that you're going to have your countertop, additional linen right in here for you to enjoy. Also, the storage down below, toilet here, and then you will have your tile shower, 48-inch tile shower. And when we say tile, we mean all the way. We went from the bottom all the way to the ceiling in this home. We have the transom window right here, tons of space, sliding glass door, and then we lead right out here. So keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very unique model. Again, this is a weekend getaway, a home that is built for the person that is looking to enjoy the outdoors and really want to capture the views that they have of their property. So it's very simple, but very elegant at the same time. You have the things very easy that you need, meaning living area, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. Very simple with an aesthetic on the exterior like no other. So to go back over the statistics one more time of the Onyx A-Frame Getaway, this home is 13 feet wide, 29 feet long, and it's going to be coming in today at $100K, $100,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. So keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video tour, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button right now. Let me know what you thought about this home. Run down to the comment section. Let me know if you want to keep this style coming, if you enjoyed that A-frame concept, you want to see more like it, or if this isn't your cup of tea, you let us know as well. We take the constructive criticism because we want to continue bringing homes that you enjoy. And also hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, so that way you'll be up to date. If you're interested in purchasing this home or any others that you've seen featured on the channel, you can run on over to Instagram or TikTok at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Onyx A-Frame Getaway as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram or TikTok. So you can contact me day or night and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.